Buying a green screen is a thing of the past. With this free AI tool, you can remove backgrounds from any image instantly without spending money on extra equipment. To get started, open any browser and search for remove.bg. Open the website and you'll find the upload option right on the screen. Click on Upload and select the image or object from your device whose background you want to remove. Once the image is uploaded, the AI will automatically detect the subject and remove the background within seconds. After the process is complete, you can preview the final result and check the clean background removal. If everything looks good, simply click on the download button to save the image. Now you can use your background-free image for thumbnails, designs, presentations, social media posts, or any creative project. This is one of the fastest ways to remove backgrounds without needing a green screen or expensive editing tools.